Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, obviously, and in the main settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll find System Management, and in here we're looking for Reset. Now select Erase All Data, and this gives us, well, number one, couple informations along with options. So the information will be that basically all data will be deleted from the device. That it includes music, images, and photos, user data, so on, applications. Now the things that actually matter will be things like music, photos, and user data. The application and app data and so on, that is basically unimportant. You can regain that, no problem. Things that you can't will be things like personal photos. Those, if you don't have a backup, are just poof, done or snapped out of existence. You have the option to basically retain them by unchecking the box right here. But if you're resetting this device, that's probably not one of the things that you're interested in. And additionally, you also have the Erase eSIM profile option, which is turned off by default. If you're planning to get rid of this phone, maybe you're selling out a new one or anything like that, then you also want to check the box right here. If you're just resetting it for the sake of resetting it and you're going to continue using it, then you can most likely retain the eSIM, not remove it, so it's just going to make your life a little bit easier. I don't have any eSIM here, so if I check it on or off, it doesn't really matter, nothing changes. Anyway, we're going to select Clear. Now it gives us a 5-second counter, wasting our time, letting us know that basically that our physical level security, the deletion will erase all data from your phone and cannot be undone. Well, yes, that's usually how reset works. It removes the data. So once you confirm it, it begins factory resetting the phone, and this process here I believe only takes about a minute or so to finish up, so it's relatively quick. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now this little pin right here can use pop out the tray and it will disappear. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.